This video is for the CH-53 Echo's unshielded wire repair technique. This video is for training purposes only. The posted references will be used during aircraft wire repair. For this repair, we will be using wire strippers, wire crimpers, safety goggles or glasses, a measuring tool, and the heat gun. The wire repair demonstrated in this video will be using a 20 gauge wire, a red splice, and a red splice boot. To begin your splicing job, first you must identify the wire size. You can do this by checking the last two numbers on the wire. Then you must follow the publication to determine your stripping dimensions. Mark your wire using the measuring tool. Place the wire in the correct gauge number on your wire strippers, then you may now strip the wire. Next, we will be crimping on the splice barrel.
Ensure to place the splice boot on the wire prior to crimping.
Place the splice barrel in your crimping tool so that when crimped, the indentation will be flush with the inspection hole, and squeeze. Repeat this step for the other side of the wire. Slide your splice boot over the splice and you will now be ready to melt it down. While using the heat gun, review all warnings and cautions to ensure you are safe. Heat your splice evenly until the environmental seal melts and flows along the wire insulation. You are now finished with your splice. Allow the heat gun to cool before placing it back in its container. This video shall only serve as an aid and does not replace your official publications.
Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to fill out the survey down below in the comments section and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also feel free to leave comments there.